Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends for CPA marketing. So first thing that you will do is simply go to trends.google.com and this will be their homepage. Now from here guys at the top, you should have here trending now. So from here guys, you should be able to see here all of the recent searches that people did in the web browser. So guys, I recommend going for the past 48 hours so you could see better performance, and you could have here by relevance. So you could have here by search volume. So let's say I'm going to go for search volume. And from here guys, currently we have Warriors versus Knicks. It has a 100k search volume and it lasted 1 day and 2 hours, and this will be the graph of that. And pretty much this is all of the trending topics. And now if you want to dive in deeper into a specific keyword, you just simply select on it, and from here you will have explore. And from here guys, on the explore page, you could select the location over here. Let's say I'm going to go for worldwide, and from here you will have here the number of keyword searches on every hour, and you could go for past few days, months, or years, and you could select a category as well over here. And from here you could go for web search, image search, news search, Google shopping, or YouTube search. So this will be depending on you. Let's say I'm gonna go for YouTube search, and I'm gonna add another term. Let's say this term will be, let's say I'm gonna go for Boston. And from here guys, you should be able to see the graph which one is much more high performer, and pretty much you will have here the region, and you will have here some related keywords based on the keywords that we provided, as you can see over here. And that's pretty much it. You could utilize these keywords for your marketing.